My name is Maisie Delderfield and I do volunteer work in the Leg Ulcer Clinic. I really just like helping people and doing things, and my family was all grown up and I'd always been attached to the health service, and I felt that I needed something and I wanted to do something still in the health service, even though it wasn't a paid job. My volunteering entails looking after the patients, seeing that they're settled and they come more or less on time, giving them a fresh appointment, filling in prescription forms for them, and just having a general little chat and helping them to feel not too unhappy. Well, I'm very happy to. I like helping people, and in any way I can, that's just what I want to do. Patient care is very, very important, and more so in this day and age, because so many people are becoming ill and having problems which they've never experienced before, and very, very scary to them. And I think that if we can support them, that's the main thing. I am very proud to volunteer for the Trust, and I know so many of the people that come here that when they see me, they seem to think, oh, it'll be okay, she's there.